Hi, I'm Roger Sutter,
And I'm Cooper Sutter.
and here we have a 4600 head wean to finish unit that has just been a rebuild where we experienced a fire last spring, and we just had it finished up by Integrity Builders. When we did the rebuild here after our lightning strike and fire, we made the decision to go with Integrity Builders because of the relationship we'd had with them in the past. We had a windstorm here in 2015, and Integrity came down to our location and within a week had a new roof put back on our building. So just the relationship that we've had in the past with them, and the good job they've done for us in the past.
Gary Boland was our salesperson. He was very easy to deal with. His communication was very well. Had everything laid out plain and simple. It was easy to follow along, and he made the experience of buying and building a new hog facility very easy.
So we built this building originally in 2006, and so we've had about 16 years of experience raising hogs, and until we had the loss of the building back this spring. So going back with almost a new rebuild here, it's been exciting just to see all the changes in technology and innovations that have come in the hog industry and raising commercial pigs, and we just look forward to the opportunity to get some pigs back in here and get going again.
Yes, we would recommend hiring Integrity Builders to build a hog facility like this one. They've been very easy to deal with, and the overall experience has been very well.